So we are here today at Chicken BBQ. Ano ba pangalan yan? BBQ Chicken dito sa Festival Mall. Barbecue chicken daw. Pero hindi barbecue ang o-orderin namin. Today we're gonna try. This is actually a Korean restaurant. And my asawa is having a difficult time to decide what to eat. While Neneng over there has decided to go for chicken. And for me, it's going to be bibimbap. Probably we're gonna take some salad too. What is it that you order? Fried chicken?
No, chicken strips.
Ay, breast yan siguro.
Chicken strips and French fries.
Allah, you will
Because
get hungry.
if this is not original Korean, you too will be the ones to suffer while I have a normal meal. Because experience is whatever my asawa is ordering is not the best.
Oh my, I always make the wrong choice, but we will see. Maybe this time I'm lucky.
That's why I took something very normal.
Okay. Oy, your fries smells good, honey.
Yeah, but it's supposed to come with the chicken. Because it's a side dish.
Ay, talaga?
Hindi sabay-sabay.
Oo nga eh. Ayan, try mo nga. Ano, baka kung masarap yung ano niya, potato.
What is the green stuff on it?
Some herbs, they sprinkle some herbs.
Hindi lang yung customer yung mga. Hindi siya masyado busy.
Siyempre, order kami ng mango shake. Parang ang lapot. Parang nakakadiring. Ah, yellow ba yan?
Very difficult.
And they have paper straw.
Yellow. It's like ice cream. Very cold.
The straw should be bigger.
Much bigger. But the taste is good. Isn't it?
Very difficult to sip. Pero masarap na.
Busy masyado. Sa Jollibee, sa Maginasal, busy masyado sila. Pagod na tao. Pag dito, nakatayo tayo.
Wala pang customer yun. Oy, magsikilos kayo dyan. Ay, the boss food came first.
With pickles. Bibimbap. Ikaw, bibimbap.
Ako, bibimbap. Oh, ay. Uy, parang ganda. Ang dami ah. And for Neneng, here comes. Hindi, salad pa muna. Ayun, may salad pa oh.
With bread.
With salad dressing, of course.
If I look on the size, I think we ordered a little bit too much.
May take out na lang natin later. Oy, golden spoon. Oh, ha? Gold na gold. Ayan, I'm gonna try the bibimbap that I ordered. Ay, may chili paste pa on the side.
That's for you.
Ay, okay.
If you like it spicy.
Ganun pala yun.
Spicy.
Oh, anghang ba talaga? Super?
Hindi super.
Oh, sige nga. There's just one thing. The plate is very small. So I have to eat slow. Meron din salad.
Oh, you forgot the main ingredient.
What is it?
The bread.
Ay, ayoko yan. I will eat the salad with my rice. Oh, may orange pa yung salad niya.
Talaga dumating ako sa...
Dito din. Sarap. Chicken strips.
Masarap pala dito.
It's really good. I like it.
The place is living up to its name. Chicken. Talaga masarap yung mga chicken nila. You have option to choose if you want it boneless or bone-in.
One eternity later.
Now that we finished our masarap lunch, let's talk about how we would rate this restaurant.
For a Korean barbecue chicken, 10.
Oo.
Because everything was sarap. I mean, I tried only the bibimbap and my chicken strips. The sauce is perfectly, not too spicy, just right spicy. The fries were good, crispy. I didn't try the secret chicken, but looking on what she ate, I think it was sarap.
Oo. And it comes in a quite big portion.
And the prices are okay for the size, I would say.
Oo, I agree.
I mean, not Jollibee prices, but the food is much better.
Ako naman, the bibimbap that I ordered, what I noticed is medyo hindi proportion yung dami ng rice sa ingredients sa ulam. Mas marami yung rice kaysa sa ulam. Nevertheless, it comes with a chili paste. Ito siya. Halos paubos na. And this chili paste that they serve here is to die for. Napakasarap. It's spicy also in the sense that it's not that spicy. It's really good. I like it very much.
It's just right.
Oo.
From the spiciness and from the taste, it's really good.
And when I asked Neneng about her order, which is the secret chicken, and waitress told us that it's sweet and spicy, it was also good daw. So, now is the judgment time. We have to pay now.
Do I? I thought you invited me.
Wala akong pera. Teka, I will get my senior card.